3 ways you can make your VA disability claim appeal move faster. I'm John Tucker. I'm an attorney who handles VA service-connected compensation cases from Florida all the way to Alaska. I've represented vets just like you all over the country, and the most common question I get is, how do I make my appeal go faster? VA is so slow. Let me tell you 3 things you can do to speed up your claim appeal before you ever call somebody like me. First, get your C file. What's the C file? That's the Veterans Benefits Administration claim file that they keep on your disability claims. Whether you have 1 claim, 5 claims, 10 claims, it doesn't matter how many claims you have for service-connected compensation, they're all in the same file. Now, they're kept electronically by VA now, so they might be in different locations, but you can get a copy of everything that they consider to be your claim file by making a Freedom of Information Act request. Go to the website you see on your screen and it will give you instructions for how to make a Freedom of Information Act request for your C file. Now keep in mind, VA websites change all the time, and the website I'm giving you may not be the accurate one at the moment you're watching this video. Just do a search for VA FOIA, F-O-I-A request, and that should get you to the right place. Now the second thing you can do is get your medical records. Whether you're seeing Veterans Health Administration doctors, going to the VA hospital, or seeing private doctors, if you get all of those records together, that can speed things up for you. You may have thought that VA went ahead and did that when you filed your claim, even if you gave them a list of all the doctors. You would be amazed when you get that VA C file how little of your medical records may be in there. Even if you're going to the VA facility right next door to the regional office, a lot of times they don't get that. So you can get your medical records by logging into MyHealtheVet. You'll see the website on the screen also. Log in there and you can download your records. Now you may have to go through an authentication process, but do that and it will save you a lot of time. Now the last thing you can do is request your military service records and your service medical records. And you do that through the National Personnel Records Center. I've put a website on the screen for that also. Keep in mind, that may change too. You just simply want to search for National Personnel Records Center, military records, and you should be able to get to the right place. If you get your military service records and your medical records from your military service, that may help you prove a claim for service connection, and that's really important. Now, if you have a claim that's in just for an increase, you may not need the military records because your claim is already service connected. All 3 of these things will help speed your claim. It will make your appeal go faster. Now, I could get those records for you if you call me to have me work on your claim. It's going to take me 8 to 10 months to acquire most of those things, particularly your C file. It's going to take you the same amount of time though. So before you ever call me, if you get that record request going, you'll have that in process. Keep in mind that nobody can give you an opinion about your case and how good your appeal is until you have those records that I just talked about. So if you want your appeal to move faster, the minute you stop watching this video, start getting those records. Now you may have some questions about your VA claim, and if that's the case, pick up the phone and call me at the number on your screen. I'd be happy to talk with you about your case. Thank you for watching. I'm John Tucker.